Hey food lovers, today we are turning those ripe plantains sitting in your kitchen into something soft, sweet and delicious. We are making plantain buns. Trust me, after making this, you will start buying plantain just to make these. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Start by peeling your ripe plantain. The kind of plantain you want to use for this recipe should be those ones that are very soft. The riper, the sweeter. Now mash your plantain until smooth, just like you do for your banana when making banana bread. You can use a fork to do this or a potato masher. If you are feeling lazy, just use your blender to do the work. Mind you, we are going to be mixing everything in one place, so you don't have to do too much work here. Now add some vanilla extract, add some water. If you have milk, you can use that as well. Give everything a good mix until it is well combined and it should look like a puree. Add in 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can add more. Cinnamon powder, which is optional. I just like the flavor and extra kick it gives to my buns, so I added it. I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. At this point, I'm going to sift in 2 cups of flour. Don't worry, the full list of ingredients will be in my description box, so do well to check that out. By the way, if it's your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with somebody that needs it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me, and God bless you. Back to the recipe. After sifting the flour, I cracked in 1 egg and a teaspoon of oil. Give that a good mix. Don't over mix, so we are making buns. We are not mixing cement. Okay? It's time to fry. Carefully drop the batter into the oil. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. Give them space to pop up and dance in the oil. Fry until golden brown on all sides. This should take 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Make sure you are doing this on low heat. Once done, remove and drain on a paper towel to remove excess oil. These fried plantain buns are comfort food at its best, soft and very sweet. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone that needs it. Bye. Thanks for watching.